If you're a Filipino living in the Philippines and dreaming of moving to Canada, this is your best chance. Canada has announced for new permanent residency pathways for 2025, and some of them allow Filipinos to apply directly from the Philippines. These opportunities will not last forever, so let's get straight to the details. First, let's talk about English requirements. Canada uses the Canadian Language Benchmark System to measure English proficiency. Here's how it matches up with the IELTS exam. CLB Level 4 is equivalent to IELTS Reading 3.5, Writing for 0.0, Listening for 0.5, and Speaking for 0.0. CLB Level 5 is equivalent to IELTS Reading for 0.0, Writing 5.0, Listening 5.0, and Speaking 5.0. Higher IELTS scores increase your chances of success and help you qualify for more job opportunities in Canada. If you haven't taken the test yet, start preparing now. The first pathway is the new Caregiver Permanent Residency Pathway, replacing the Home Child Care Provider and Home Support Worker programs. It starts on January 1, 2025. Filipinos in the Philippines can apply if they secure a job offer and a work permit. To be eligible, you need a valid job offer from a Canadian employer, at least 12 months of caregiving experience in Canada, CLB 5 in English, and a high school diploma or equivalent, and a caregiver in Manila. Completed a 6-month caregiving program and passed the IELTS with a CLB 5 score. She secured a job offer from a Canadian family and moved to Canada. After 12 months of work, she applied for permanent residency and was approved in 6 months. If you are a caregiver, this is your best opportunity. Get a job offer, work in Canada, and secure your PR. Frequently asked questions. Can I apply without caregiving experience? No. You need at least 12 months of caregiving experience in Canada to apply for PR. Can my family come with me? Yes, you can apply for open work permits or study permits for your spouse and children. Do I need a job offer before applying? Yes, a valid job offer is required. The second pathway is the sector-focused permanent residency pathway for high-demand jobs. It is expected to start in spring 2025. Filipinos can apply if they secure a valid job offer and a work permit. To be eligible, you need a job offer in a high-demand occupation, at least 1 year of work experience in a related field, and a CLB 4 or 5 in English. Some high-demand jobs include construction workers such as electricians, welders and carpenters, mechanics and technicians, truck drivers, healthcare workers like personal support workers and nurse aides, and farm and food processing workers. Carlos, an electrician in Manila, passed the IELTS with a CLB 4 score. A construction company in Alberta hired him. After 1 year of work, he applied for permanent residency and was approved in 6 months. If you have experience in construction, mechanics, welding, or trucking, this is your best chance. Frequently asked questions. Can I apply if I don't have experience in a high-demand job? No, you must have at least 1 year of work experience in a listed occupation. Do I need an LMIA-approved job offer? Likely yes, but Canada may exempt certain occupations from the Labor Market Impact Assessment. The third pathway is the Temporary Worker to Permanent Residency Pathway, expanding the temporary resident to permanent resident model. It is expected to start in mid-2025. Filipinos cannot apply directly from the Philippines. They must first work in Canada under a valid work permit. To apply, you must first secure a job offer and a work permit. Work in Canada for 6 to 12 months, and then apply for permanent residency under this program. If you are already in Canada, this program makes it easier to stay permanently. Frequently asked questions. Can I apply directly from the Philippines? No. You need to be already working in Canada. Does any type of job qualify? Not all jobs qualify. The program will likely prioritize essential and high-demand jobs. The fourth pathway is the Permanent Residency Pathway for Francophone and bilingual workers. It starts in February 2025. Filipinos who speak French fluently can apply directly from the Philippines. To be eligible, you need CLB 5 or NCLC 5 in French and a valid job offer in a Francophone community. Mark, a teacher from Manila fluent in French, secured a teaching position in Manitoba. His PR application was approved in 7 months. If you know French, this is the fastest route to permanent residency. Frequently asked questions. Do I need to speak French fluently? You need at least CLB and CLC 5 in French, which is an intermediate level. Where are Francophone communities in Canada? Ontario, Manitoba, New Brunswick, and Quebec have large French-speaking communities. Final tips to avoid rejection. Apply early because permanent residency slots fill up fast. Complete all documents because one missing paper can cause delays. Improve IELTS scores because higher scores mean better chances. Get a legitimate job offer and avoid scams. Use a licensed immigration consultant if unsure. Canada's doors are open, but not forever. Act now, prepare well, and don't miss your chance. Want more free immigration tips? Subscribe and turn on notifications for updates. Comment below if you need help, and I'll do my best to assist you for free. Want a PDF guide? Let me know. I hope this helped, and remember to validate this data in case Canada makes any changes to any of these pathways. See you in the next video where I will explain each pathway in more detail.